Okay everyone, today we are going to be making this protest sign for the pipeline, and I'm going to be giving it to one of my good close indigenous friends so that she can have it when she's rallying with all the other protesters here. So if you want to see how this awesome DIY protesting sign is done, then keep watching. Roll the intro, go.
With the stroke of a pen, Trump's trying to undo everything we've worked so hard for. But as Indigenous people, our existence is our resistance. We protect Mother Earth and the water because it's who we are and we have no other choice. I'm facing 7 years in prison, yet I remain dedicated to peace and prayer. Pray with us.
One family. If we don't stand, who will? On earth. The wind comes in four corners, four directions, four colors. And death rides on four horsemen. A black snake with some black tanks. How much money do these companies need to make? They could drop their product, but they wanna save a buck. Already extracted billions, when is enough enough? I used to be in the oil fields, getting paid, but I quit, cause oil water I can't drink. Look down and see Kamimi Ladai in the mud. I looked up and told myself that enough's enough. Money does not own my soul, living comfortable. It's not in my plans, my hands in the sand. Some things worth more than gold. Some things they can't be sold. Some things can't be replaced. She is your mother, the fresh water is her veins. What is going on? Have we all lost our minds? Every human needs clean water to survive. Love is the strongest, this path is the hardest. But if we were strong enough to do it, we wouldn't see it. Our prayers would not be needed, this movement's very needed. Indigenous wisdom unheeded and sacred things depleted. I'm Mexicano, Malacota, and I'm white too. I'm mixed with everyone, so part of me's just like you. Every group of human beings shares the same stars. And if the earth is not your mother, are you from Mars? Decline since 1492, 500 years and counting. Surviving the genocide they call colonizing my turtle island. What is a fossil fuel? Continued destruction, nothing new. Live in a system, taking our children, shifting their feelings till nothing's true. I had that money in front of me, but I left it, cause oil money's dirty if my mother gets disrespected. We're disconnected, these times are hectic and feeling heavy, but still we love all living beings and suffer for the many. We are peaceful people, that's why we walk with prayer. And if that wasn't true, we wouldn't be standing here. We're peaceful people who walk with prayer. Turtle Island, have no fear. Despite what they show in the media, we're kind people, hold your ground. Change is coming now.
Okay, well, it's the next day here and I've had to let this dry all night so that I would be able to do this. Here, come with me. All right, so this here is 100% dry now, and it's time to make the medicine wheel. You may be asking yourself, what is the medicine wheel? Well, I'll leave a quick picture up here. I'll be doing it here on the land area, and I'll be doing them in different colors. Let me show you what I mean. So basically, I'm going to be putting X as centered as possible, and then in each corner area, I'll be doing the different colors. And everything here would be meeting up in the middle to unite everything and everyone in a way. So let's get this started.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be called. Martin County Sheriff's Department.
Hi, I need to report an assault.
Okay, where did it occur at?
Standing Rock. They're innocent, unarmed people being attacked with water and militia-style police firing at point-blank range with high-powered mace on unarmed people. Who protects the people?
Ma'am, yeah, if there's police there, then it has
The police are the ones attacking innocent, unarmed people. So what do we do to stop the police literally hitting people at point-blank range in the face? People can lose eyes. People are going to get hypothermia. People could die. We have elders here. We have children here. We have all ages here. Nobody is armed except for the police. Who protects the people from the police?
Man, I messed up already. Wow. So where I just literally put the yellow on there isn't supposed to go there. It's supposed to be red. So only thing I can do is make sure to let it dry 100% and then paint red on top of it, and I will have to do multiple layers to make sure to color any yellow undertone there, because yellow and red is not going to be a good mixture, that's for sure. So I guess I should move on to yellow on the other side while this dries, and then I'll just continue on all the other colors and leave yellow for last. I don't know what to do about it. I'll dab it down with a paper towel and see if that works, just to lift up some of that pigment, because I really lathered it on. And then bam, I realized, I'm like, wait, yellow doesn't supposed to go here. Yeah, let's just continue on with it, and sure we'll figure it out. All right, let's go. Okay, well, this is turning out awesome. Besides, the line isn't completely straight, so I will touch that up later. And this is 100% dry here now. I just decided to go ahead and do the white right here, because it's not really fun just to watch someone paint white on white. You know what I mean? And I'm gonna touch up a little bit of the outline here before I start off with doing the lettering. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be doing the lettering in a nice green tone. I'm unsure what kind of green, if it's gonna be a lighter or darker green. I'll kind of do a few swatches possibly and see which one looks best. So let's carry on with this red. Okay, so I now kind of did a little sketch, roughed out the word here, LANDBACK, so that I can fit pretty good as I sketched it. I'm glad that I sketched it because it kind of was like coming up a little bit, which, yeah, it didn't look so good. So I'm definitely gonna have to do like a little bit of a line so I can stay on the line and be as centered as possible, so it's gonna look good. I'm really happy with how this is. This is the problem, is that I like this and I'm afraid to mess it up by doing the words on it, but I feel like the statement is going to be worth it, worth the risk at least. I'm going to be doing it in green just because I feel like that's going to really represent like the land, the color green, called green, nothing special. And it's going to be, whoa, drop it. So yeah, let's get started with this and start writing LANDBACK here. It's going to be quick and easy, and we'll be able to see the full end process of this all coming together. All right, let's do it. So essentially this is what it's gonna look like, except I'm gonna do about 3-4 layers on it to really make it pop. And with the great world of movie magic, I can just do that right now and you guys don't have to wait. Bam! Alright, well, this is all finally done and I think it looks perfect, but still, do you know what looks more perfect? This does. Hi. Sleepy kitty, he just sleeps right next to this. So the gloss that I use, or I should say glaze that I use, is the Liquitex Professional, and it's a glaze medium, also known as a fluid medium. I think it works really well and it has a super nice shine to it, and I think it's gonna kind of make it a little bit more durable if there is any bad weather out here in Vancouver while protesting. All right, yes, we are all done and this looks awesome. I'm super happy with it, and I know that my friend, she's gonna love this here, and it's gonna really stand out in the crowd. It is massive. It is probably almost as tall as me. Well, not quite, I'm really tall. So, I hope that you all enjoyed watching this video, and please leave a comment down below and let me know what kind of video you want me to do next time. And remember, share, like, all that fun stuff. If you haven't yet, please subscribe here, as well as follow all my social media stuff right here. And I'm still trying to get on this TikTok thing. I'm unsure how it all works, but hey, I'm old, what can I say? And hey, if you're gonna miss me, feel free and watch all these awesome videos and click there. And hey everyone, remember, stay ambitious. Okay, till next time, see you later.